Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. I do have another macrame crochet Christmas tree that I wanted to talk to you about. This was purchased last year before Christmas from Temu. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I decided to make one to show you. It does make 3 Christmas trees. It does make a white one and a red one. I wanted to verify if I could make this easily or not. I'm new in macrame. However, I'm starting to get a little experience. I basically wanted to see if I could follow these instructions easily, or I had to refer to the video. There is a QR code here for the video, and we'll talk about the video later. But it does come with everything that you need. What's included with the cord is these wooden beads and also the rings. And if we look at the instructions, there seems to be a lot, but they're very well detailed. From the little experience that I have, I was able to do the macrame without going to see the video. It's easy to read, and also the pictures are easy to follow. And at the end, we see all the knots you'll be doing in this project, the name of the knots and the step-by-step. So this is pretty good. This is well made. If you're a complete beginner, then there's a possibility that you're going to have issues with the instructions. My suggestion is to go see the video. Now the video is on YouTube, but it's not listed. You need to purchase this kit to be able to gain access to the video. I watched the video, and the video is very well presented. It's very well made, which is very surprising. There's no talk. You can see very clearly what she does with her hands or his hands. It's very doable. So there you go. This was a very short review of this Christmas tree, but nothing else needs to be said. If you like this, I don't know if they still sell it on Temu. I like doing this, and I will be making the other 2 Christmas tree, the other 2 colors. Have yourself a good day. Take care. See you in the next video.